Hey, Phil from Got Memories here. Are you trying to run your VHS tapes and it's looking like that? Okay, or you've had them back from some of these social media ad companies that just spam your inbox with 60% off, 50% off, and we all know who those companies are. And there's some of their boxes up there. I'm not gonna, yeah. Anyway, so this is typically what people are getting back from all of these companies because they do not maintain their equipment and they hire staff that are minimum wage, hiring, firing. As I tell everybody, the person that's transferring your videotapes a week ago probably got fired from Starbucks, and now they're transferring your videotapes and they know nothing. They're on their phones on TikTok going, oh yeah. Meanwhile, tapes are going to crap, and then they put stickers on them to tell you that your tape is bad, not their equipment. No. It's your tape that is the problem. Anyway, if you are searching around for a video transfer company, I've got hundreds of videos on this whole industry. There is zero consumer awareness, and everyone is throwing caution to the wind because there's no education on this subject. And I'm sick and tired of it. And that's all my videos are. I'm like becoming the angry video transfer guy. And because I'm redoing tapes like this, and to be fair, I'm only showing this because this particular VCR head is filthy and I'm going to clean it. Hopefully somebody from these transfer companies, they got millions of dollars to spend on ads, but they don't have even the most basic knowledge of how to maintain equipment. Now, people are sending in videotapes that are 30, 40 years old, been stuck in garages, mold is present, they don't transfer any of that. That basically everyone's pack rat crap from the garage is going into VCRs, and they're not inspecting them, they're not cleaning them. Well, they take that back, they do inspect them, because if there's any mold or broken anything on it, they don't transfer it, but they most of the time keep your money. If you don't complain, they will keep your money, but good luck getting hold of them via email or phone numbers. But anyway, everyone thinks that the videotapes are going to come out looking amazing, just like digital files. No. And they might be thinking, well, some of these companies are a lot more money, but this legacy box is $9 a tape, and I know it's not going to be 4K, but I don't mind a little less quality. Well, when you're like looking at this stuff and it's just staticky junk like this, and you can't even make this out, then it's unwatchable. You might as well light whatever money you're spending on them on fire. So anyway, getting back on point here, okay, as I always go on my rants. So I'm going to show you what you need to do to clean your video heads. Now, for the average consumer, they're not really thinking about that. Sydney, see, look, this is my son, and this is, I hate to say it, but what these companies are hiring. Just kids, they're stuck on their phones, and they're yeah, what are you playing? Candy Crush or something? They're on Candy Crush, they're not paying attention to your stuff, they've got no motivation other than to collect their $14 an hour. And yeah, so basically this is the new generation here. Okay, what? Facts. Yeah, anyway, so do me a favor. So isopropyl, this is what you need. This is the alcohol that you need to deal with okay, hold on. Let me get a clean chamois tip. Okay, here we go. These are chamois tips that you need. Go ahead and, can you hopefully the dogs don't drink that. Okay, can you, oh my God. Okay, there we go. All right, so what you're gonna do is you're going to place this on the drum, okay, and then you're going to apply pressure and turn it. Now, can you hold the camera, please? Okay, now Sydney's face is going to be in it. So here we go. So I'm applying pressure. Get off your phone. Thank you. So get in here. All right, so I'm applying it to the drum. There's 4 heads on here, these little tiny holes Those are the heads. This is a 4-head VCR. I should be unplugging this so I don't electrocute myself. Let's start over there. And just a minor detail, not dying when you're doing this. So you're gonna run this along the head, the really shiny silver part, okay? And as I go over this again and again, you're gonna see, look at that, it's black. All right, I'm gonna just do this side as well. Filthy. So this does make the tape unable to be read, and that's where you get all the static, because it's just got crap on it. Look, there we go again. Now this is the audio head. Give that a little scrubby scrub as well. Let's see if you get static on your audio. That's why. Well, there's a bunch of different reasons. Tape path guides as well need to be maintained and adjusted. Let's put that tape back in there. Where did it go? All right, cool. Look at you. All right, your services are no longer required. All right, let's plug this back in. All right, go back to your video game. Unfortunately, that's why this father-son, he's not working in the business. He doesn't want to, and
I have a better job.
Better job, whatever. All right, whatever. It's working with your kids, working with family. Yeah, it's good times. All right, so now let's see here. Please wait. Let's see if this picture comes up clear. Come on. All right. Please wait. Let's go. All right, play. Oh. This could be, here we go. It's going south, and there we go. Oh, no. So what I'm doing is I'm adjusting the track in here, okay? And the tape is going, and this is the difference between, if you want me to digitize your home movies, I'm OCD about this stuff. So I do not, unless I see a clear corner-to-corner picture, I am not allowing that to go out the door. So what I'm going to do here, because that is still got that static at the bottom, and I need the tape path guide. Here we go. So there's Winston, look. Oh, there's Birdie. Say hello, Birdie. Hello. And that's Winston. All right, so I'm going to put this bit in here. Let's see. Okay. So this is what you need. And that's not your average screwdriver head. So you got your tape path guides here, and you do need this particular bit here here you go, you can see it there. These are very hard to find, those parts. And the tape path guide. Let's see. Okay, so if you turn this clockwise or counterclockwise, you get different effect with it. Let's see, come on. See, I'm trying to get rid of that there. As I turn this, it goes. Alright, here we go. Alright, I'm going to do the other side. There we go. Boom. Corner to corner. No static. Let's check the audio. Oh, it's muted. There we go. Nice and clear. There we go. Corner to corner, that's what I'm looking for. Boom, done. Anyway, all right, boys. So yeah, this is where all the magic happens. I am based in Phoenix. If you would like to get a quote, gotmemories.com. If you're looking for cheap pricing and all that kind of bargain basement, no. I am not cheap for good reason, because I monitor everything, and I am a video transfer engineer. I am recovering content that no one else can seem to get off of their videotapes. If you've got moldy tapes, tapes that have been in storm damage, all this kind of stuff where you've really got to know what you're doing. Look, I've got all of the equipment here. This is kind of my messy table right now with some nightmare jobs. What are you eating? Oi, no, oi, Jesus. Oh, God. You're just eating a piece of plastic. Anyway, so yeah, all of this stuff. I've got videos on all of the nightmare of all of this stuff. And it's all old. It's all been neglected in garages, attics, just junk. And then here we are 30, 40 years later, and you're thinking for $200 you're going to get this massive amount of stuff done perfectly. No, you have to remember what you spent on the cameras back in the day. People spent $5,000-$6,000 in the early 80s on basic cameras, and then you got a video 8 camera. There was another $4,000. Then you got a high 8 camera. Then you got digital 8. Then you got mini DV. Some people spent $10,000-$15,000 on cameras, and then when I'm saying, hey, it's going to cost $1,500 to digitize all this stuff, they're like, what? One day at Disney World costs you that. So anyway, all the best to you. If you are looking for a local business in your area, good luck. It's not a service that you find everywhere. And if you do find them, usually they're not that great. You got one copy of this stuff. You really need to do your homework. So if you are going to be looking at some cheap place, don't be calling me 6 months later crying about it and going, oh, they lost my tapes. They mixed up my tapes. They broke my tapes. I hear it all day long. So if you do work for any of these crappy companies, clean up your act. I've got the videos on how to help you with your multi-million-dollar business on how to fix your problems. So spend less on marketing, pause marketing, and then figure out production, clean your equipment, train your staff, pay your staff more money, and then you're going to get a quality product back. I'm so sick and tired of you guys that work, well, not with the workers really, it's the management, it's the owners. So do your damn job well. All right, it's enough of me ranting. All the best. Cheers.